Hey, what's up, Nevin? Quick demo video for you for your Starkiller variant. This is an awesome hilt. I won't go into too many specifics in this video like I normally do for reasons that you know of, but I will just go over some functionality for this guy. So this is installed with the Proffie 2.2. This has full gesture controls, all the sound fonts that you had on your old one. I did put the stock sound fonts back on this guy for you. Also moved your activation switch to the top and then put your auxiliary switch down below. And then we kept your kill key here. This handle is so tight sliding over the chassis that I had to make that I don't feel very comfortable taking it off for the purpose of this video. I did send you lots of pictures of it, but everything is just extremely tight in here. I mean, there was just hardly enough room for me to put a battery and a board. Have a 20mm speaker in here, and then on my recharge port, I had to run 3 of my wires from my recharge port up and over that speaker and back down over to the board. So I did make a divot in the chassis or like a wire channel in there to go over that speaker for the wires, but it's still very tight. So I'm going to leave it like this. We're just going to pull the kill key. We'll go over some functionality so that you can see everything works. So old kill key.
I will not fail you, my master.
Activation here up top. See, your blade plug is lighting up good. Crystal's looking good. Smooth swing. Auxiliary. And we'll turn it off. I'll take your blade plug out. You did send me your blade as well, and you had me drop it down to 25 inches. So here's your blade right here, 25-inch blade. We'll pop this guy in. Fits nice and snug. So we'll turn it off with the power, and then we'll just use gesture controls. There we go. Kind of heavy. I didn't feel very comfortable swinging it like that, but as you can see, your gesture controls work. Auxiliary, blaster deflect, blade lock up, localized blade lock up, and then twist off, just like that. And then we'll use the auxiliary to cycle through our sound fonts. Every once in a while we'll just stop and fire this guy up, right? Now if you get it just right, if you want to do your color wheel, you gotta tap your auxiliary before your power real fast. You hear that sound, and now you can twist your handle or your hilt like that until you find whatever color you like, and then you have to do that motion again when you find the color. You'll hear that. So that's what saved our color on the color wheel there. Just like that. All the stock fonts you wanted. Now we're back to the ones that you had on here. So there you go. Thing turned out great. I hope you liked the way it turned out. It was a fun project to work on, and I will get this in the mail to you Monday morning. Thanks.